Good morning, my dear students. In previous video, we have learned about the diversity is our strength and the principle of secularism. Now, we are going to see the contribution of a society to our development. Students, what do we learn by living in a society? What values, qualities do we imbibe? Imbibe means to absorb information. Information related to values and qualities. Now, let us see how society helps to develop our personality. First point is cooperation. Cooperation means sahakarya. Cooperation means helping one another in solving problem. Without cooperation, you cannot do anything. For example, your mother prepares food for you. Father brings whatever you want or play with you. Teacher helps you in your studies. All this helps you, thus your life goes smoothly. That is because of cooperation. To run the society smoothly, cooperation plays an important role. Cooperation is the process of sharing and helping each other in solving problems and removing difficulties. Lack of cooperation hammers. Hammers means to make something difficult. अडथळा आणणे. Hammers our progress. Our day-to-day life will also not run smoothly. Cooperation makes interdependence in a society healthier and allows inclusion. Inclusion means including. समावेश करून घेणे. Inclusion of everybody in the society. Cooperation is the process of inclusion of moving ahead with the help of all the peoples of all the sections of the society. Second point is tolerance and understanding. Tolerance means सहनशीलता and understanding means समजून घेणे. As we study, cooperation is important in a society. So, there can be a differences of opinion, disputes and conflicts. Opinion means आपले मत, what we think about somebody or something. Disputes means argument between two peoples or a groups. वाद होणे. Conflict means a fight. Disputes and conflicts arises when there is a lack of agreement in the opinion, ideas and view of the people. Prejudices or misconception means गैरसमज about each other can also lead to a conflict. However, nobody is interested to keep a conflict going for a long time. Thus, people find a way to resolve. Resolve means to find an answer to the problem. Conflicts through compromise and understanding. Conflicts can be ended if people makes efforts to understand each other and show a spirit of tolerance. Thus, tolerance and understanding also plays an important role in developing our personality in the society. We accept new ideas. Society provides us an opportunity to learn this simple method of maintaining well-being and peace in the society. Third point, an opportunity to perform different roles. In a society, we play different roles. Each individual or a people has several roles and responsibilities and duties. Every role are well defined. Well defined means what kind of responsibilities or duties given to a particular person has to do that particular duties or a work. While playing these roles at home and outside, we form bonds with many peoples. Changes may occur in the parts we play. For example, you may be son or a daughter at home. When you go in a school, you are the students. When you are playing in a society, you are performing a role of a friend. You are grandson and a granddaughter of your grandparents. In a class, you may be also a class representative or a monitor. Thus, we play many different kinds of roles. Students, you have to play these roles with responsibilities. Now, we are going to see the last point, that is regulation of a society. Regulation means rules of a society. To run society smoothly, some rules are required. In ancient time, society was mostly regulated with the help of tradition. But in modern times, along with traditions, laws are needed. Law is different from tradition and customs. The regulation of a society through laws and tradition is carried out by different organizations and institutions. To work in a society, we need laws and rules. The laws and rules are given by the government. The government bodies at the local level also plays an important role in the process of regulation of a society. Thus, government plays a very important role to regulate our society.